Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Discord guild server. All right. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. First up, go ahead and open up your Discord app. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to your server. Okay. Make sure that you own the server. Now go ahead and right click on the server or click on the drop down right here at the top left. Now go ahead and go to the server settings. Just click on it. All right. And you should be able to see guild in this section under moderation or under community overview. Okay. So as we all know, this feature is currently an experiment and only available to a select number of servers. All right. If you do get an invite, you will see an option to convert your server as an in-app pop-up at the top left of your app. All right. Just go ahead and tap on check it out. Now, if you don't have this, well, unfortunately, you'll have to wait. All right. Once that's done, go ahead and choose the game or games that you and your guild will play together. Now go ahead and select the play style. It can be very casual, competitive, or very competitive. Now on the next page, when you tap on next, it will ask you who is your target audience. It says here, depending on the guild type that you have, you can select ranks for a specific game, minimum ages, and more. Now once that's done, just go ahead and tap on next. Now go ahead and tell people what your guild talks about. All right. Once that's done, just hit on next. And just simply follow the simple prompts. And from here, you can go ahead and select your guild tag. Your guild tag is a badge. All right, just go ahead and select your preferred badge and the badge color. Once done, just hit on next. Now in here, you can go ahead and customize the guild look. Discord got themes right here and also for the banner. Okay, and once that's done, you can go ahead and add in a question like, why do you want to join our guild? Okay, and after that, just hit on next. And once done, you just created your guild. All right. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.